We did 4 years worth of work in the Massachusetts Department of Corrections with over 1,200 inmates and trained them in these kinds of things with the aim of doing really definitive recidivism long-term study to see what happens when they get out and then do they, re-offend and so forth. Those studies are actually very, very difficult to do. So we weren't able to show that, but we did show major changes in people, including on the hostility index that's used on the MMPI. Prison is the most hostile place on the planet, and yet people were finding different ways to be in relationship to hostility and showing reductions in hostility. And there are also other places that are studying mindfulness of one kind or another, meditation practices in prison. And I think the overall evidence, it's not really scientifically based, but sort of anecdotally seems to be that very much you can, sort of have people shift their relationship to their past actions and deeds and reconfigure their moral coordinate system for the future. Not everybody, but if you can do that, and it's a huge question in our society because we imprison more people in the United States than any other country on the planet, including South Africa during apartheid and the USSR during the Soviet era. The United States imprisons more people than anybody else on a percentage basis. So, and there are huge costs on a lot of different levels to that beyond the economic costs. So it really is a wonderful question that you've asked that, and I think we do need to research it in much more rigorous ways and much better funded than we were funded to do it.